It's getting dusty in here. What's going on, everybody? It is your boy Skittle. I know you guys are probably like, yo, why doesn't he upload much? It's not that I don't have videos. I'm the video creator and I'm the video editor, so I just want you all to know I do apologize and I'm not slacking on you guys. I just have everything going on with my life, cars, my dogs, my wife, work, you name it. I'm in YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, everything. Yo, if you guys don't follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, go in the description below and follow me. That's all I say, follow me. Because I give you guys updates on the Caliber and the Neon. The Caliber, I got videos on deck. So much stuff is going on right now and I'm trying to get the Neon going. So that's why I'm bringing you guys a video real quick on what's going on with this thing. So yeah, this is my Neon, 2003 SRT4. Yo, I've had this since 2011. It's 2019. That is what, 8 years, right? I love this car. You guys can see I fully gutted this Neon. It is fully shaved in the engine bay and in the inside the car. I didn't really do anything. I just teared the stuff off, right? The floor. So I got a video on that. If you guys want to check that out, I'll leave it right here in the top of the screen. And yeah, basically, I'm just over here killing time and trying to get this bay perfectly shaved. You guys can see like little dots right there. That's little pivots, and I'm actually trying to get that with a 180 grit. And you can see, I've done a lot of work. I even made my own little holes on the firewall. That's where I'm actually gonna put a connector. Kinetic actually hooked me up with that. I paid him a bunch of money for pins and connectors and all that stuff so I could do my own wire harness. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll leave it right here real quick. You guys like my Neon SRT4 wire harness that I made? Shit's dope. I gotta fix some things, but honestly, it's just dope. I did that in 2017 during the winter. Maybe it was 2016, the beginning of 2017. I'm done with that. Now I just gotta worry about finishing the bay. I finished the cage. I finished the interior. Right now it's pretty much just really, really dusty. You guys can see, like, look at that. That's retarded. My interior is fully gutted and it's gonna stay that way. My battery, I'm probably gonna get a smaller one and get a battery relocation. Can't probably right over there or over there. I don't know yet. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments below. That's it. I'm gonna leave you guys with a new video after this. But I just wanted to let you guys know I am editing and I did not forget about you guys. So don't forget about me. Add me on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, all that. Search Skittle Fabs and you'll find me. So be easy, guys. Stay tuned